Hey guys, since we're in this COVID-19 lockdown, today I want to show you guys how to turn a boring soup of noodles like this into something so tasty. So let's get started. Our ingredients will be onion, red pepper, 2 eggs, half a carrot cut into 3/8, green onion, and our ramen noodle soup. Here are the ingredients cut up and prepared. First thing you want to do is boil your water and put your noodles in. In my case, I am going to put 2 noodles in because I tend to eat just a little bigger. You can use any oil you want. I'll be using avocado oil to stir fry my onion and carrot in medium heat. Once you put your onion and carrot, stir them up for about 2 minutes till they're nice and soft. So go ahead and check your noodles. And when your noodles is nice and soft, it's time to strain out the water. Next, we just cook our eggs just like my noodles. I'm going to eat 2. Now that our vegetables are nice and soft, it's time to add our noodles. Once you add your noodles, all you want to do is just mix it all up. Grab your packet of chicken flavor. Because I did 2 noodles, I will be adding 1.5 packet, and once you do that, just mix it all up. Then we add the green onion and mix it all up till it's nice and cooked. Depending on how you like your spiciness, you can add as much as you want. For me, I'm just adding a mild red pepper, one last mix, and you're done cooking. Oh my goodness, so this is what it looks like, guys. Look how amazing that is. And for the final touch, we are going to add 2 eggs. Oh wow, look at that. That looks so delicious. Pinch of salt and pepper and you are done. Look at that, guys. That looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it out. Alright guys, so we took a regular packet of noodles and turned it into something so tasty and looks so delicious. Look at that. So we got the egg, we got the carrot, the green onion, and regular onion there. So that's it. Took us less than 10 minutes and we got it done. Thanks for watching and let's do a taste test. Ooh. Pop that up. Boom. Whoa. Whoa. This out. So we just grab the little egg right there. Dip it just a little bit. And go for the taste test. Absolutely delicious, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day and be safe.